You ever step into a city and instantly feel like you've entered a different world? Where the air vibrates with music, the streets whisper centuries-old stories, and every bite of food makes you rethink everything you thought you knew about flavor? That's New Orleans. This city isn't just a place, it's a living, breathing experience. Whether you're here for the unforgettable madness of Mardi Gras, the jazz music that spills from every street corner, the rich and soulful Creole and Cajun food, or the hidden gems that most tourists never find, I'm taking you on the ultimate New Orleans adventure. By the end of this video, you'll be craving a beignet, humming a jazz tune, and searching for flights. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the magic of NOLA. All right, folks, I'm at Café du Monde, where the air is thick with the scent of fresh beignets and powdered sugar swirls like magic dust. Behind me, the Mississippi River glistens, but let's focus on what really matters. Café du Monde has the best beignets in New Orleans, period. No debate. When you've been serving the same irresistible recipe since 1862, you don't need to argue. Look at this plate. Golden square pillows of fried dough, buried under a mountain of powdered sugar, paired with a smooth, iced café au lait. But eating a beignet isn't just a snack, it's a ritual. First bite, crispy outside, warm and airy inside, it melts in your mouth, and suddenly, life just makes sense. Last bite, that's when reality hits. You're out of beignets, and a little piece of your heart goes with it. And yes, you will get powdered sugar everywhere. Don't fight it, it's part of the experience. So when you take a bite, you're not just eating fried dough. You're tasting history that's been of 160 years.
Imagine this. Slow-motion shots pull you into the electric energy of Mardi Gras. Vibrant floats glide down St. Charles Avenue, their dazzling colors illuminated by the warm glow of streetlights. Atop them, masked revelers in extravagant costumes dance to the infectious rhythm of jazz, tossing armfuls of beads into a sea of eager hands. The air vibrates with the soulful blare of brass bands, horns wailing, drums pounding, a heartbeat that pulses through the city. Laughter erupts, cheers rise, and the unmistakable cry of "Throw me something, mister," echoes through the night. That's Mardi Gras. That's New Orleans. Mardi Gras isn't just a party, it's a spectacle. A living, breathing tradition that grips your senses and never lets go. This festival has roots reaching back more than 300 years. Behind the magic are the crews, exclusive, dedicated social clubs that work year-round to bring these parades to life.
The French Quarter is like a time capsule, a storyteller, and a living piece of art, all rolled into one. Hey everyone, I'm on Bourbon Street. Hard to believe this is the same place where that crazed guy mowed down over 20 people. The city is vibrant as ever, embracing its spirit of resilience and celebration. I started my morning in Jackson Square watching artists paint the St. Louis Cathedral, while tourists tried to get the perfect selfie. But my favorite part? The street musicians filling the air with melodies that feel older than the city itself.
Right on for my girl. Let the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you say what can make me feel this way. My girl, my girl, my girl. I'm talking about my girl, my girl. Right on for my girl.
I hopped on a streetcar. And let me tell you, this is the best way to see the real city. But when night falls, there's Bourbon Street. Imagine Las Vegas, the Deep South, and a Mardi Gras parade all rolled into one, and you've got Bourbon Street. I was standing there, just taking it in, when bam, someone threw a string of beads at me. I wasn't even looking. That's Bourbon Street for you. Chaotic, loud, and absolutely legendary.
Outside the Airboat Adventures office, try bundled up in warm clothing, shivering slightly. The camera captures the entrance, the sign, and the first glimpse of sugar inside. Welcome to Airboat Adventures in Jean Lafitte, Louisiana. Now, if you're thinking swamps are always hot, humid, and filled with gators, think again. Today, it is freezing out here, definitely not what I expected in Louisiana. But that won't stop us. We're here to experience a real swamp adventure, explore 20,000 acres of beautiful tidewater cypress swamps, and hopefully spot some alligators in their natural habitat. But first, before heading out to the wild, let's meet someone very special inside.
Meet Sugar, one of the rarest alligators in the world. Unlike her dark green cousins, Sugar has albinism, making her completely white with pale pink eyes. There are only about 100 albino alligators in the entire world, and Sugar is one of them. In the wild, she wouldn't survive long because her white skin makes her an easy target for predators. But here, she's safe, well cared for, and loved by visitors from all over the world.
I don't know about you, but I didn't think I'd need this many layers in the Louisiana swamp. But we're not here for comfort, we're here for hold on tight because this pontoon airboat is about to take us on a ride like no other. These boats are powerful, designed to glide over shallow waters, and can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. That's faster than an alligator can swim. Let's go!
Look at this place. It's like stepping into another world. These cypress trees, with their roots rising out of the water, are hundreds of years old. And that Spanish moss hanging down, it's not actually moss, it's a type of bromeliad, related to pineapples. This is where the gators live. But where are they? When it gets cold like today, alligators slow down, they don't move as much, and they stay hidden underwater where it's warmer. Sometimes, you'll only see their eyes and snout sticking out above the water. There, do you see that? That's a Louisiana gator, keeping a low profile. Unlike crocodiles, alligators are shy and prefer to avoid humans. But trust me, you wouldn't want to go swimming here. It's not just gators out here, this swamp is home to so many incredible animals. Look up, there's a great blue heron, one of the largest wading birds in North America. And over there, that white bird, that's an egret, graceful, but a fierce hunter when it comes to fish.
If you visit New Orleans and don't eat your way through it, you're missing out. Here are the spots you can't skip. 1. Dini's Seafood, a legendary seafood joint serving up massive platters of golden fried shrimp, oysters, catfish, and soft shell crab. Come hungry, leave stuffed. 2. Hot and Cajun Boil, who set the ultimate crawfish boil experience, spicy, messy, and finger-licking good. If your hands stay clean, you're doing it wrong. 3. Central Grocery, home of the iconic muffuletta, a sandwich packed with layers of Italian meats, cheese, and the game-changing garlicky olive salad. 4. Oceana Grill Bourbon Street, a French Quarter favorite, serving up buttery char-grilled oysters, rich seafood gumbo, and famous crab cakes. A true Bourbon Street gem. 5. Mr. Bubbles Cafe, Vietnamese hidden gem, serving the crispiest banh mi, loaded with juicy pork, pickled veggies, and fresh cilantro on a crunchy baguette. 6. Viet Orleans Bistro, or East meets South, enjoy a steaming bowl of pho alongside sushi rolls for a one-of-a-kind New Orleans dining experience. 7. Good Catch Thai Restaurant, Thai spices collide with Louisiana seafood for an explosion of bold flavors, creating a fusion dish you won't find anywhere else. Where to stay? Courtyard by Marriott French Quarter, Iberville, a perfect blend of comfort and location. This stylish hotel offers spacious rooms, modern amenities, and easy access to Bourbon Street, close to the action, yet peaceful enough for a restful stay. Welcome to New Orleans, my friends. Now, go eat. After all that delicious food, you might need a change of pace. And what better way to unwind than by stepping into a world of wonder at the Audubon Aquarium and Insectarium? As I strolled through the aquarium, I felt like I had entered an entirely different universe. One moment, I was face to face with a majestic sand tiger shark, its powerful presence sending chills down my spine. The next, I was watching playful sea otters twirling and splashing, living their best lives. And then came the butterfly garden, a moment of pure magic. Just as I walked in, a dazzling blue morpha butterfly gently landed on my shoulder. Everything else faded away for a second, and I just stood there, soaking in the beauty. But the surprises didn't stop there. Inside the insectarium, I faced my biggest challenge yet, eating a chocolate-covered cricket. I hesitated, then took a bite, and you know what? It wasn't bad. Kind of like a crunchy M&M, but, well, with legs. New Orleans is full of unforgettable experiences, and this was the perfect way to end the day. Now, as I make my way through these incredible exhibits, I want to hear from you. Which stop would you visit first, the shark tank, the otters, or the butterfly garden? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the next journey. Thanks for exploring with me. See you in the next video.